Hello mga kamaniwise! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, pag-usapan natin ang RLC, ang parent company at sponsor ng RCR. Robinsons Land Corporation is the real estate arm of JG Summit, and it's one of the leading property developers in the Philippines. Meron siyang market cap of 57.81 billion pesos. RLC is also the powerhouse behind RCR, one of the top three REITs in the Philippines. Disclaimer, this is for informational purposes only, hindi ito financial advice or stock recommendation. As always, do your own due diligence before investing. RLC has two primary sources of revenue: investment portfolio and development portfolio. The investment portfolio refers to properties that are fully operational and generating steady income, like their malls, offices, hotels, and logistics facilities. Dito rin nanggagaling yung mga properties na ini-infuse nila sa RCR. In the past year, RLC's investment portfolio generated 32.8 billion pesos, representing 77% of RLC's total revenue, up by 14% year over year, comparing December 2024 to December 2023. Pinakamalaki ang contribution ng malls at 41%, followed by offices at 19%, and hotels at 14%. Ang development portfolio naman ay yung mga ongoing projects tulad ng residential properties and mixed-use communities na under construction or pre-selling pa lang. Hindi pa ganun kalaki ang kinikita, pero ito ang magiging source of future growth ng RLC. During this phase, ang kita ng RLC mostly comes from pre-selling or initial sales of the units. The revenue from the development portfolio is 10.05 billion pesos, representing 23% of RLC's total revenue. But it has declined by 24%, mainly due to decline in residential properties, which is down by 34% due to weaker sales. Ang joint ventures nila ay down din ng 3%. Destination estates lang ang tumaas ang earnings sa development portfolio. RLC's strong moat is its diversified and income-generating portfolio. This broad and balanced portfolio helps protect the company from risk in any single sector. Now, let's talk about the financial performance ng RLC. From 2016 to 2024, RLC's revenue grew at a compound annual growth rate of 8.4%. Affected ang kanilang performance ng pandemic, kaya bumaba ang revenue and earnings in 2020. However, they quickly recovered noong 2021. RLC recorded its highest revenue in 2022, but saw a slight decrease in 2023 and relatively stable revenue in 2024. Despite that, net earnings have continued to grow. In 2024, RLC infused 13 properties into RCR through a property for share swap. Ang understanding ko, correct me if I'm wrong, revenue goes down when RLC transfers income-generating properties to RCR, since rental income is no longer part of RLC's revenue. However, RLC receives dividends from RCR, which are not counted as revenue but are counted as earnings. On profitability per share, EPS grew from 1.45 to 2.73 pesos per share in 8 years. That's a compound annual growth rate of 8.2%. Past 1-year EPS growth is higher at 11%. Here's the first quarter 2025 financial highlights of RLC. RLC recorded 11.03 billion pesos, so almost flat compared to same period last year. However, the rental income segment grew by 10%, now contributing 51% of total revenues. RLC's recurring income base is expanding. However, bumaba ang real estate sales by 25%. Hotel revenue nag-increase naman ng 12%. RLC's first quarter 2025 net income is down 9% versus same period last year. However, excluding one-time gains in 2024, core net income actually grew by 4% year-on-year, reflecting a solid operational performance. Inflow of cash, RLC has consistently maintained positive operating cash flow. RLC is generating strong cash flow from its core business operations over the past 7 years. Sa efficiency, below 15% ang return on equity ng RLC, but this is common among property stocks. If we compare with industry average, comparable ang return on equity ng RLC. Healthy rin ang balance sheet ng RLC with a DA ratio of 31.49% and mataas ang interest coverage ratio at 9.5 times with cash of 10.57 billion pesos. In terms of return on invested capital, RLC's ROIC is not that high, which is common among property stocks because real estate companies need a lot of capital to buy land and build properties. Si RLC gaya ng ibang developers ay nagla-land banking. They purchase land and hold it for future use. Wala pa itong income pero kasama na siya sa invested capital ng kumpanya. In terms of dividend, consistent na nagbibigay ng dividends ang RLC. Growing ang kanyang dividends. Bumaba lang noong 2021 due to lower earnings nung nagka-pandemic. And then from 2022, consistently increasing ang dividend amount. Annual nga lang ang dividend payment around June. 10-year compound annual growth rate sa dividend ay 7.6%. And recently, lumaki ang dividend growth. Past 3 years, nag-grow at an annualized rate of 14.5% at past 1-year growth ay 15.4%. Dividend yield at the price of 12.02 is 6.24% with a reasonable payout ratio of 43.74%. Mataas din ang dividend yield above 6%. Yun nga lang annual ang payout niya. May bagong mall ang RLC, ang Opus Mall sa Quezon City. Nagbukas ito noong July 2024. Mukhang ganda, hindi pa ako nakapasyal sa bagong mall na ito. Isa sa mga drivers ng long-term growth ng RLC ay ang kanilang strategic land banking. As of now, they have a total of 838 hectares valued at 191.8 billion pesos. This land is spread across different regions: Metro Manila, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. They also have three major destination estates: Bridgetown in Quezon City and Pasig. This is a mixed-use estate with offices, malls, condos, and a landmark bridge. Sierra Valley in Cainta Rizal. This is a township-style development with retail and residential areas. Montclair in Porac, Pampanga. It's a large mixed-use estate being positioned as a future growth hub in central Luzon. They also recently acquired 6.1 hectares in Bonifacio Capital District, which will likely be a premium mixed-use project in BGC. Estimated intrinsic value ko based on company financial and growth rates ay 26.3 pesos. At ang buy below price ko with 30% margin of safety is 18.4 pesos. Undervalued sa ngayon ang RLC at the price of 12 pesos. Meron akong dating hawak na RLC but I decided to sell it at 16.5. Pinag-isipan ko pag bibili ulit ako while the price is down.